Imagine an AI so powerful that it can think, learn, and solve problems just like a human, but faster. Welcome to the world of DeepSeek. In today's video, we're diving into DeepSeek, an advanced AI model that's changing the game in artificial intelligence. Whether you're into tech, AI, or the future of innovation, this video is for you. Let's get started. DeepSeek is an artificial intelligence model designed to process massive amounts of data, understand complex queries. Think of it like an advanced search engine, but way smarter. It's not just about finding information, it's about understanding context, analyzing data, and providing meaningful insights. DeepSeek uses deep learning algorithms and neural networks, much like how our brains process information. It's trained on vast datasets, allowing it to learn patterns, predict outcomes, and even generate human-like responses. Unlike traditional AI models, DeepSeek continuously improves itself through machine learning, becoming more intelligent over time. DeepSeek isn't just another AI tool, it's a breakthrough in how we interact with technology. DeepSeek isn't just another AI tool, it's a breakthrough in how we interact with technology. It can be used in healthcare to predict diseases, in finance to analyze markets, and even in education to create personalized learning experiences. The possibilities are endless, making it a key player in the future of AI development. What sets DeepSeek apart from other AI models like ChatGPT or Google's Bard? The answer lies in its ability to handle more complex tasks with greater accuracy. While other models focus on specific functions, DeepSeek offers a broader range of applications, from data analysis to natural language processing, all in one system. As AI technology evolves, DeepSeek is expected to become even more advanced. Researchers are working on making it more intuitive, ethical, and secure. Imagine a future where AI not only assists us but also understands us on a deeper level. That's the future with DeepSeek. So, what do you think about DeepSeek? Is it the next big thing in AI? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content about technology and innovation. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.